What's good, what's popping, what's going on, everyone? I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. Today we got a little cruise today with some people that I don't even know, to be honest with you. We all linked up in a group chat and decided to all get together and cruise and do all kinds of stuff with the Infinitis or whatever it may be. Any car is welcomed. But that's what I'm doing right now. About to go over there. The meetup time is what? 6 o'clock, it's 5:30. I'm finally on time. That's the crazy part. I'm finally on time. And yeah, it's really hot right now. Really hot. So yeah. Oh, what I didn't mention is that I got a new GoPro. I got this new GoPro. It's the GoPro Hero 12. And I got the headband attachment to it so you can see POV drives. So I don't have to hold my camera up the whole entire time because it's kind of like I can't multitask at the same time. I like to downshift, blah, 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 etc., etc. Made it to the meetup spot. All the whips right here. Oh yeah,
Camera on his chest.
Yep.
You got a mount for your car already or not?
I'm going to. I just got this.
Okay, that's hard.
I just got this. So you on camera though?
Oh shit, right now?
Yeah, look.
Oh shit. Niggas don't got a haircut.
I gotta see the right angle for my car because my shit be like recording the top part.
Yeah, I just checked the canyon. We going through fire too.
Okay.
Quiet as fuck over there.
So who you gapping over here? Who you calling out?
Anybody that's not stock, pretty much.
You think you gapping a Q50 tune?
Yeah, we stock.
Okay.
Rest work, I only race one.
Oh. Yeah.
But anything else? That's not. Come on.
Okay. I got you, bro. I got you. You're good. You're good. You're good.
You said chop.
So you ready for this? What you ready for? You ready for this little? How do you say it? Cruise?
Canyon cruise.
Okay.
Canyon
Okay.
little dip in the canyons.
Okay. All right.
Where you
Cool.
at?
Shit, I'm over there. Parked over
Your
there.
wheels are tough. This is so fire.
What'd you say?
I say your wheels are fire.
Oh, thank you, man. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all in the group chat too?
Roman, nice to meet you.
Ty.
Nah, man, I'm not.
I'm 7th, or Brian.
Ty.
Roman, man, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
What's up, bro? Ty.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
That's all you right there?
Yeah.
Sheesh. Super and all right. Okay. That's nice. All right, let's go. Hey, stay kind of close. We don't run stop signs over here. I love going out like this. I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I love going out with the homies, chilling, having a great time. Playing that Young Gunna. Y'all see it? That Young Gunna. This album is kind of fire. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's fire. I like a few songs. We got the Lexus crew in the back. That thing ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna lie to you. That thing ain't going nowhere. It's a bunch of noise. There's a bunch of noise, man. These dudes be trying to like race or something. Like, I'm trying to chill. This is the life though. You get your homies, you know, communicate with people, post on TikTok, post on Instagram, whatever it may be. Try to communicate with people that you don't know. Because a lot of these people here, I do not know. I'm trying to get comfortable with trying to meet new people and trying to go out and do more stuff and just do everything by myself. This is like the perfect scene, you know what I'm saying? Just cruising with your homies, or cruising with new homies. If I gotta say, just cruising with new homies, you know what I'm saying? I really hope this video comes out really smooth. I know I'm just talking at this point. I'm just rambling. Eee, trying to get that footage. I see you, boy. There we go. Get that footage, man. Stop playing. About to arrive at the other spot, other location, whatever you want to call it, but please don't jump in front of me. Woo. Oh look, this little Jeep. Get that clap shit out of here. Damn it. Shit is fucking clapped. Damn, this is a spot. It's kind of small. I ain't gonna lie to you. This place is kind of small, not gonna lie. Who you calling slow ass? Who you calling me? Don't scrape. Don't scrape. Alright, I'm good. Damn, they picked the most smallest places. What? This shit is so damn small, it's crazy. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? Oh shit, almost hit her, I ain't gonna lie. How do I look with the GoPro on? I got some good footage. I looked over a little bit of it, but I got some good footage. I had to point the GoPro downwards because it was looking like up and stuff towards the roof. But yeah, this is the whole little. Yeah, my bad. I didn't know you was trying to get rollers.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chill out this one. It's really nice out here. Super tight. Oh my lord. Oh shit. I almost crashed. I ain't gonna lie to you. I almost crashed. Ooh. Oh. Super slow. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my goodness. I'm glad I got some BC coilovers. Smooth. All right, y'all. This is gonna be the end of the video. We made it up here all the way to like Malibu or whatever, and yeah, and that was it. We just sit here and chilled, and it was a nice little cruise. Made it to our destination, and yeah, I got some good footage from this GoPro. So if you guys like the GoPro and want me to use it more, let me know down in the comments. But yeah, that will be the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces.
You swipe the cookie from the jar. You might run fast, but you'll never get far. Crumbs on your stash, snitch on you like a nigga with some bacon. He got it from a pig, in return they quit chasing. Who swiped the cookie from the jar? You might run fast, but you'll never get far. Crumbs on your stash, snitch on you like a nigga with some bacon. He got it from